Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED notifications on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for the app. Now here we want to write NotifyBuddy and press the search button. Now select this app and click on the install button. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and move to the next step. From here you will need to grant two permissions to the app, and the first one is notification. So press on it and here locate NotifyBuddy. Now allow notification access and wait for the 10 seconds and press on this button right here. After waiting, press OK, go back and move to the next step. Here we want to find NotifyBuddy and enable it like that. Go back, and the third option, which is battery optimization, is optional. You don't need to disable it. If the app doesn't work properly for you, you should. Let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we can start using the app. And we can see four tabs down here. So the first one is user, and here you can select the apps to get the notifications for. So for example, I will select Netflix. Next option is system, and here's all of the system apps that you can also grant notification access. So let's get file manager, for example. Now if we go to active, we can see the apps that we've just enabled for notifications. And in the settings we can customize our LED by changing its size, shape, or even the times between blinking, but some of the options are locked behind premium version. So now if we press on the test button, we can see the LED icon right here, and that's how it's gonna be when we get notification while our phone is locked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.